Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us a unique code for €100 coupon bundle, okay? This is the code. Just go to the Temu search bar and search for this code, ACR609164, okay? Just search for that code, and if you're a new app user, you're going to be getting this €100 coupon bundle. If you're in the US, you're going to be getting $100. Wherever you are, you're going to be getting this coupon bundle in your currency, okay? So now you need to know that it is for new app users. Also, if you're an existing user that has, reinstalled the app in over 2 weeks of not using the app, then you're also eligible to get this. Another tip I would give is this: make sure once you download the app and you get this bundle, try to place your order within 30 days, because this coupon is only going to be available for a short period of time. So if you do not place your order on the first day, actually it might not be available when you want to. So just try to place your order as soon as possible, okay, so that this coupon is still available for you when you want to use it. You can use it to buy anything on the Temu app. All right, so let me know if this code works for you, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.